Good morning, students. Now, in this period, we studied about flower, fruits, and seeds. In last period, we studied about the parts of the plant and their functions, like stem, roots, leaf. Okay, so now today we discuss about the flower, fruits, and seeds. It's also parts of the plants. Flowers are generally reproductive part of the plant, means it helps to reproduce new plant, means they are of different color, shape, and smells. Okay, in our surrounding there are the different flowers and they have a different shapes also and colors also. So flowers are grow from flowering buds. Okay, that flowers are grow from flowering buds. On a plant the small buds is there, and from that buds the flowers are grow. So flowers of the most of the plants change into fruits. Most of the plants that flowers are changed into fruits, means first of all the flowers is grow, then after that it fall down, and after from that flower birds that the new fruits will be grow. So fruits have different fruits like apple, pomegranate, orange, mangoes. Okay, so some fruits have only one seeds. Okay, and other fruits have many seeds. It's like a mango have only one seeds. Okay, and like pomegranate or watermelons, in that fruits the number of the seeds are there. Okay, means the number the seeds are also different in different fruits. So some seeds we eat, such as rice, wheat, corn, peas, dal, nuts. Dal, nuts, wheats is also seeds, but is a edible seeds. Edible seeds means what? The seeds that we eat. Okay, this is called edible seeds. And some seeds we cannot eat. Okay, so that's called inedible seeds. ऐसे कुछ फ्रूट्स रहते हैं उसके सीड्स हम नहीं खा सकते. ओके, उसको क्या कहते हैं? इनएडिबल सीड्स. सो flowers are generally reproductive parts of the plants. Okay, see next topic, photosynthesis and transpiration. You know that word photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means the process of preparing food. So now we discuss about it. So in last period we see about the leaf, structure of leaf. Okay, and most important function of the leaf is to make the food, means by photosynthesis process that leaf make the food. See photosynthesis. Photo means what? Light. Okay, photo means light, and synthesis means put together. Synthesis means put together. The process of preparing food by the leaf is called photosynthesis. See in that picture, that sun, means from that sunlight that leaves are make the food. Okay, means these leaves take the sunlight, okay, and also water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the environment, and from that three important material, means sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide, it make the food. Okay, it make the foods and release the oxygens. Okay, so now we see about one by one. See, means for photosynthesis the sunlight is the main function, main material for the preparation of food. See, sunlight, water and carbon dioxides are the raw material which plant need for making the foods. It's a raw material, it's an important material. इनमें से अगर तीनों में से एक भी मटेरियल्स अगर प्लांट्स को नहीं मिला तो फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस नहीं होगी. So for that, sunlight, water and carbon dioxides, these three materials are important. So leaves obtain these raw materials in the following ways. How that leaves take that material? See, roots absorb the waters. You know one important function of the roots what? It absorb the waters and minerals. So root absorb the waters and minerals from the soils. Okay, and this water reach the leaves, means वो leaves तक आते through the stems. Second one, then leaves take in carbon dioxides. Leaves take the carbon dioxide from the environment through the stomata. Stomata is the small spores like structures on the leaf. Then chlorophyll. In leaves the most green pigment is present, is called chlorophyll. Without chlorophyll it's not possible to make the food. So chlorophyll present on the leaves absorb the energy of sunlight. This sunlight energy is absorbed by chlorophyll, and in the presence of sunlight leaf change the water and carbon dioxide into food. Okay, in presence of sunlight that leaf change the water and carbon dioxide into food. So the food made by the plant is a simple sugar in the form of glucose. जो फूड बनता है ना प्लांट से उसको क्या कहते हैं? Starch, and is generally in the form of glucose, and it is converted into starch. It's called starch. So after that the oxygen is released through the stomata of the leaves, and this oxygen is used by the living organism for the respiration process. So do you understand this photosynthesis process? For photosynthesis process, three materials are important. See, sunlight, water and carbon dioxides. Okay, and the food that made in the plant is called starch, and it is in the form of glucose. Okay. See, next process is the transpiration. Transpiration process is also occurs in the plants. Transpiration means what? It is the process by which excess water is released through the stomata. Excess water. See, you know plants take the water from the roots. Okay, root absorb the water and that transport to the parts of the plant. So in leaves there is excess water. Excess means what? Extra water. Okay, so these waters is released through the stomata of the leaves, and it is basically means evaporation of water. It is evaporation of water from the surface of leaves. Okay, यहाँ से वो evaporate हो जाते हैं excess water, और इस process को क्या कहते हैं? Transpirations. Okay, means it is the process by which excess water is released through the stomata in the form of water vapors. Now turn the page. See, next topic is the plant product. Plant products means the all living organisms, you know, depend on the plants for the food. So apart from foods, plant also provide many useful products. इसके अलावा और बहुत सारे यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स भी प्लांट्स हमें देते हैं. लाइक सी फूड फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. सो प्लांट गिव्स अस व्हाट? फ्रूट्स, vegetables, cereals, pulses, beverage, spices, oil and sugars. This is the plant products. Okay, like vegetables and fruits. You know, from the plants we get the foods like a vegetable. Different vegetables also we use as a foods. Some fruits also we use. So different part of plants such as the root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds store the food and prepared by the leaves are used as a vegetables. Vegetables are generally in the form of root, stem, leaves. Leaf means leafy vegetables रहते. Okay, generally जो भी leafy vegetables हो leaves form रहते. Roots कौन से? Carrot, radish. Okay, fruits that store the food that prepared by the leaves and yet used as a vegetables. See, radish, carrot, beet are root we eat as a vegetables. Potato, onion, ginger are the stems. ये क्या है? Stems है, वो भी हम यूज़ करते खाने के लिए. Cauliflower से, broccoli are the flowers है, क्या है? Flowers है. It's also we eat. Spinach, lettuce are leaves we eat as a green leaf vegetables. Like that, another fruits also we use like a tomato. Tomato is the fruits. Brinjal, capsicum, it eaten as a vegetables. Means vegetables and fruits also we use for the food. Then cereals and pulses. See, these the cereals and pulses are the seeds of the plant. ये क्या है? Seeds है. ये seeds हम ये edible seeds है because it eat by us. So rice, wheat, maize are example of cereals that gives us energy. बनाते हैं ना हम rice from rice. That wheat is used for generally make the chapati. Okay, so these are also used as a food. Pulses means all type of dals like a bean, gram, peas, kidney beans. Okay, are also seeds of the plants. So these are also used as a food. सो पल्सेस क्या कर देते हैं हमें? इट गिव्स अस प्रोटीन एंड दैट हेल्प अस टू ग्रो. देखो यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स दिए आपको. सीरियल्स दैट राइस, व्हीट इज द सीरियल्स एंड पल्सेस जो रहते दैट किडनी बीन्स. ओके, बहुत सारे पल्सेस आपको पता है. सो लाइक स्पाइसेस एंड ऑयल्स ऑल्सो वी गेट फ्रॉम plants. That spices are generally used in making the vegetables different dishes for add a flavor. Spices add a flavor to our food. अच्छा खाना बना है तो उसमें स्पाइसेस डालना ज़रूरी है. सो वो एक तरीके का फ्लेवर ऐड करते हैं हमें. सो स्पाइस ऐड अ फ्लेवर टू अवर फूड. पेपर, टर्मरिक, कार्डामम, क्यूमिन्स डालते हैं ना मम्मी ये सब. हाँ, तो these are spices and these are spices obtained from the plants. So oils are also obtained from the seed. You know from which seed we get the oils? Yeah, coconut, sunflower, mustard oil use करते हैं, groundnut oil use करते हैं हम. Okay, see these are oils from that from oils are obtained from that seeds. Okay, so also dry fruits also we get the tea from the tea leaves and coffee also from the coffee beans, and we also get the sugars and dry fruits from the plants. You like the dry fruits? So dry fruits also we get from the plants. Okay, these are the plant product. Means this are we get from the plant. So turn the page. अदर यूज़फुल क्या है? यूज़फुल प्रोडक्ट्स उसके यूजेस क्या है? देखो, लाइक अ फर्नीचर. यू नो दैट फर्नीचर्स वी मे जनरली मेक फ्रॉम द वुड. Wood is used to make furnitures, and from that furniture we decorate our living rooms. Okay, so these wood we get from the trees. कौन कौन से ट्रीज रहते हो? ओक ट्रीज रहते, पाइन ट्रीज रहते, ओके, टीक रहते. सो these furnitures are generally made from the wood, and this wood is used to make the houses also. Okay, then fibers for cloths and bags. Generally that fibers is also obtained from the plants, and these fibers are also used to make the bags and cloths. You know, cotton cloths are made from cotton fiber. किस कहाँ से बनते हैं? कॉटन फाइबर से बनते हैं. And this cotton obtained from the cotton plant. Okay, similarly jute fiber from jute plant. So are used to make the rope also, mat, bags, mattresses. These are generally made from jute fibers. And also from coconut husk the core is also fiber and is used to make the doormat and ropes. जो ropes रहते हैं ना, कोकोनट फाइबर से बनते हैं. लाइक पेपर, रबर एंड गम. हम जो पेपर यूज़ करते हैं, रबर यूज़ करते हैं, is also obtained from the plants. So paper is also obtained from plant, like from bamboo. Okay, that pampas grass. That items such as gloves, rubbers, ball, tire, eraser are also made from the मिल्की लिक्विड ऑफ रबर प्लांट. देखो कितने सारे यूजेस है प्लांट्स के. सो these are also obtained from the plants. Medicine. Most of the plants, many plants have a medicine properties, means it's used as a medicine, like plants such as tulsi, mint, neem, turmeric, clove is also used as a medicine. use करते हैं ना हम उसको as a medicine. Yes, so there are the different also uses of the plants. So that's why plants is a important natural resource for the existence of life. So you have to save it. Okay, so in this lesson we studied about the plants. Okay, different plants and their uses. So you have to read this lesson carefully. Okay, bye.